Hey besties, I decided that I'm gonna give you guys a room tour, so let's get into it. Starting off with your room tour, you need one of these, a ceiling sign card. Let's see if I can see it. And this is basically your key, your money, everything on one. So yeah, okay. And then you have, this is our cabin. This is our door. We're kind of boring compared to our neighbors here, but yeah. Okay, so you open the door from here, and then, oh wait, you open the door like this, so you guys can see it turns green. Ouch, it's okay. Then first, here's the bathroom. Our steward just cleaned it, so this is the bathroom. As you can see, we kind of like settled in, but this is the bathroom. This is how you cut on the shower. This is the temperature. It does get hot, so make sure you know temperatures from Celsius, because that's what it's controlled under. We have new towels, of course, and then you know, you kind of like make it your own home because we've been here for some days now. So and then you have these. It comes with soap. Down here is like a tissue dispenser, bathroom trash, and extra toilet tissue. And then also we got some robes. Very fancy, but you have to what is the word, you have to request the robes. So yeah. And then right here is our closet dressers. So you have a couple of these. Here's one, and we have our luggage under, and then another one here, more luggage and beach towels or pool towels. Then here we have another one. As you can see, I kind of like took over. I have my shoes up here, and then here's the safe. We haven't used the safe, so yeah. And then my purse is down here, my hair stuff. I really suggest, like, when coming to places like this, knowing you're gonna stay there for a long period of time, to like unpack and do all that stuff. Here is our mini fridge that we don't use. We have food in here from Grand Turks. The phone that we hardly use and don't know how to use. And then plugs. I do suggest getting one of those extra plug things, especially for people that vlog and stuff, because my camera charger does not fit at the same time. So our regular charger, the light, it cuts on, give you good lighting. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Then up here, more storage space. We have like our health stuff, like disinfectant, wipes, Andre's perfume, colognes. My perfume is up here. This is more for my stuff, but it turned into jewelry stuff too. You have a little chair, so it's like a vanity basically. Then over here we have, I wonder if this is a pull-out couch. You broke it? Oh, but yeah, this is our couch, and then this is our bed. We have a cute little animal every time we come back after the steward cleans. This is a elephant, I believe. Yeah, you have your lights over here, and it comes with storage. I'm gonna show you on the other side. And then up there, past Andre, you see it's a little light switch that comes on all the room lights. Then over here, you have this. No light, it's just more storage. So it does come with a lot of storage, but not enough plugs. That's the sucky part. And then out here is our balcony. Brace yourselves, it's probably gonna get foggy. But then yeah, then you have two chairs. And then the nice scenery. I gotta show you guys what it looks like at night. This is what it looks like in the daytime. It's raining today, so everyone's probably like in their rooms just chilling. And yesterday was a crazy day. We had a guy jump off, so, and he sadly passed away, so condolences to his family. But that's about it from the room tour, and I will catch you guys later. Sometimes kind of aggravating, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We're gonna do a departation deparcation presentation. So we're heading to that, and tomorrow we go to the Bahamas, and then we're going home. I'm kind of ready to go home. This was a fun trip, but I wouldn't suggest this type of cruise for 6 days. No. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the quick little room tour. It's not really much to show, but yeah, if you do book Carnival Horizon or Carnival in general, I do suggest getting the non-surge plugs so you have extra plugins, because it's not enough. And yeah, and make sure you bring your disinfectant and stuff like that. But all in all, it's pretty nice rooms. It does get hot in here, so if you can bring a fan, bring a fan. But yeah, and I would suggest, if you get a room, get a balcony room. Get a room that's not interior, because you don't want to feel the boat moving like that. Like, we still feel the boat moving, but it's not as bad. So yeah, all in all, I'm enjoying my trip. I'm a little drunk, so peace and love, besties. I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.